Let me show you the amazing benefits of eating avocados. We've all heard this saying that an apple a day will keep the doctor away. Well, I'm here to tell you that an avocado a day will help keep the doctor away. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Avocados are a superfruit. They're low in sugar and are keto friendly. Avocados can improve your HDL, that's your good cholesterol, up to 11%. Avocados contain healthy fats. 77% of an avocado is fat, mostly monounsaturated fat, which is great for lowering your LDL and raising your HDL. That's rich in monounsaturated fats. They are high in potassium. Did you know that an avocado contains double the amount of potassium of a banana? An avocado has 800 milligrams of potassium per cup. It also contains small amounts of magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, zinc, phosphorus, vitamin A, B1, B2, and B3. This is coming in with 160 calories, 2 grams of protein, and 15 grams of healthy fats. Although it contains 9 grams of carbs, 7 of those are fiber, so there's only 2 net carbs, making it a low-carb, friendly plant food. You can make avocado toast. Look how delicious this looks. Or even add avocado to your next Cobb salad. Or, just like me, you can make guacamole. Doesn't that look delicious? Avocados are great for your eyes. Your vision will improve because they are high in antioxidants. They will reduce the possibility of getting cataracts and macular degeneration. Avocados are heart healthy. They can lower your bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels as much as 22%. They're high in fiber and therefore can help you lose weight. Avocados are great for your skin and hair. They will make your skin glow. They can help moisturize and strengthen your hair and protect your scalp as well. I hope that by watching this video, you're convinced now that you should be having an avocado every day. Avocados are delicious, they're healthy for you, and they're great for your skin. They come in all different shapes and sizes, and it should be in your diet every day. Avocado oil is excellent to cook with. Avocado oil has a mild taste and a high smoke point. Cold-pressed avocado oil is unrefined and retains some of the flavor and color, leaving a greenish color. Avocados should be in all of your salad dressings. These are the salad dressings you should be using, whether it's made by Primal Kitchen or whether it's made by Newman's Own or Chosen Foods, but they are avocado oil based. Avocados are easy to include in any recipe. Look how amazing that these look. Make sure you include an avocado in your next salad. This mixed salad is easy to make and is very colorful. Well, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And speaking of videos, let me give you some video suggestions on other videos I've made in the past so you don't miss out on any of these healthy recipes.